If you're wondering whether Proton VPN or ExpressVPN is the best option for you, whether you're looking for the best overall VPN or the best choice for global location spoofing, stick around because we're diving into both of these services head to head. Now, Proton VPN is known for its strong privacy policies and transparency. It has a strict no-logs policy, which is something most VPN users care deeply about, and it's based in Switzerland, a country with strong privacy laws. But while Proton VPN's privacy features are top-notch, when it comes to speed and server locations, it's a bit behind ExpressVPN. This can be an issue if you're looking for a fast and reliable VPN for streaming, or if you need a VPN to spoof your location across a wide range of countries. The next thing to consider is pricing. Proton VPN is fairly competitive, but if you're someone looking to access global servers with consistent performance, ExpressVPN might have the edge here. It's generally more expensive, but it also offers a broader range of server locations worldwide, giving you more options for location spoofing. This is especially useful if you need to virtually live anywhere around the globe. ExpressVPN has over 90 countries covered, while Proton VPN's server network isn't as extensive, which is why it's not as good for global location spoofers. Speaking of speed, the fourth thing to note is how both handle this crucial aspect. While Proton VPN is great for privacy and security, its speeds are a bit slower compared to ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN has a reputation for providing consistent, fast speeds, which is why it's the go-to for streaming and for those who need a VPN that won't throttle or slow down their internet experience. Proton VPN, on the other hand, might struggle with speed in certain regions, especially if you're connecting to distant servers. Now, the security side of things is essential for anyone using a VPN. Proton VPN shines here with its use of secure encryption methods and the option for a Tor over VPN feature, which is fantastic for those who prioritize ultimate privacy. But ExpressVPN doesn't fall short here either. It uses military-grade encryption and is known for its strong security protocols, such as its use of RAM-only servers, which prevent data from being written to disk. This is a big plus for those who are serious about security, but Proton VPN offers slightly more advanced features for privacy, particularly if you're an advanced user. The final comparison is the user experience. Both services are easy to use, but ExpressVPN has a bit of an edge with its more polished, user-friendly interface. Proton VPN's interface can be a bit more basic, especially for new users, though it's still fairly intuitive once you get used to it. After testing both of these services, here's the deal. Proton VPN is great for privacy-focused users who don't mind sacrificing speed and server locations, while ExpressVPN is a better choice if you're a global location spoofer and need faster speeds, more servers, and an all-around more polished VPN experience. Both of these services are strong in their own ways, but if you're looking for the best of both worlds, privacy, speed, and global location spoofing capabilities, then you might want to check out a better alternative. Through the first link in the description, you'll get access to a special free trial that's exclusive to my viewers, giving you a better option for global location spoofing, privacy, and all the benefits you need. Go ahead, take advantage of it. You won't regret it.